हेलो स्टूडेंट्स मु आज तुमको नेचर ऑफ सोशियोलॉजी विषय कहबी सोशियोलॉजी गुण विषय जानिबा जे जोटा कि नेचर कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स ऑल आर सेम है ना। तो फर्स्ट नेचर सोशियोलॉजी इज एन इंडिपेंडेंट साइंस बुझी पाच ना। सोशियोलॉजी इज एन इंडिपेंडेंट साइंस हैविंग इट्स ओन फील्ड ऑफ स्टडी नेचर स्कोप एंड मेथड ऑफ स्टडी ओके। तो तार निजस्व फील्ड रही सोशियोलॉजी कोटा सोसाइटा तो से अन्य क्या निर्भर कैनि। सेकेंड हूँ दिस इज सोशल मीन्स कि सोशियोलॉजी इज सोशल नॉट ए फिजिकल साइंस बुझीपार ना रे छुआ। सोशियोलॉजी इज ए सोशल साइंस बिकॉज इट स्टडीज मैन सोसाइटी एंड देयर सोशल रिलेशनशिप which is the criteria of social science. Next, sociology is a general science, not a special science. Sociology is a general science because it studies society in a universal form of study and it tries to make generalization on the basis of some selected events. The study of work, competition, cooperation, family, association, institution, etc. तापरे आमे कहबा सोशियोलॉजी इज ए जनरलाइजिंग साइंस नॉट ए स्पेशलाइजिंग साइंस. Sociology does not study all the events or phenomena spatially, rather it draws a universal conclusion taking a limited examples of its study. Example ଯେମିତି କି ତମେ କହିବା generalizing the nature of some joint families or it draws conclusion from the whole joint family. अल्प किसी joint family को नहीं कि आमे whole joint family विषय जानी परिबा. Next जदि आमे जानिबा sociology is a pure science not an applied one. Sociology is a pure science because it does not require the help of an applied field for the applicability of its acquired knowledge. ये कहाँ ऊपर ये कौन करे निर्भर करे नहीं या कोई apply भी करी हबो नहीं so that it is pure. Next sociology is an abstract science not a concrete science. बुझी पाचो ना अच्छा मने. So sociology is an abstract science because the subject matter of sociology is so abstract in nature without having their concrete existence, or the topics of sociology can never be shown in their concrete forms. Okay. Next one, sociology is a categorical science, not a normative science. Sociology is a categorical science because it does not interfere on the question of what should be or what should not be, what ought to be or what not ought to be. In society, it gives emphasis to the continuing form of present phenomena. Okay. Example, what is going on, आगु कौन हबा उचित एगुड़ा विषय सोशियोलॉजी चिंता करेनी. It only focus what is going on. Okay. Last one, sociology is both rational and empirical science. Sociology is both rational and empirical. Sociology is a rational science because it becomes fruitful, universal in society, or it is good for all. At the same time, it is an empirical science because it gives emphasis to cause-effect relationship. Okay? तो पिला मने आज तमे जानी लो नेचर ऑफ सोशियोलॉजी. Okay, thank you.